Hi, today we are going to discuss something a little different. Not going to teach you at all. It is a dilemma which I see every day that students, there are two types. One of few of them, they can do the definitions very well because they have a very good skill. That is, they can learn anything. But a lot of them, they don't, they can't. So what to do about it? Do they do any, like they write exam without definition? Are the definitions not important? How to deal with that? So with that, I would say that congratulations if you are one of those who can learn the definitions very well. Good job. And those, please uh, don't cry about it. You can manage it. How you can do it? So like right now in front of you is the definition of force. So in physics, force is an interaction when an unopposed will change the motion of an object. Or a force can cause an object with mass to change its velocity. Okay, so that means if it is not moving, started moving. And force very easily, like the basic, I would say, definition is push or pull. So if you are not good in definition, uh, go for the keywords. Now let's say that this is the keyword, push or pull. Now I'm not telling you you have to learn exactly the intuitively word, and force can also be described. No, not like that. Force is a push or pull. That will do. That will do perfectly fine. And then observe this, that there's a mass and change in the velocity. So the key word would be for this definition, change in the velocity. So always keep in mind that word and just frame the sentence when you're writing the definition. And that will help you equally like any other student who knows the definitions very well. So this is a trick which you can work with. It is very important to write the definition. It is very important to know the definition. In science, I would say, why? Because definitions is not just for that particular moment. It works. It assimilates in your system, I mean in your brain. And the brain starts to seeing the things like, oh, this is push or pull. So yeah, it's this force, right? So it is not just you're learning at that time. It is like learning after the lesson also. So definitions are important if you can learn them. If you cannot, just do the keywords. I'll catch you later. Take care. Bye.